Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to take you along as I deep clean my kitchen. So let's get this video started. I started with the top cabinets and I used the Method All-Purpose Cleaner. I really like how this cleaner leaves my cabinets. It's almost like it gives them a shine or a glow to them.
I'm tired of push down the ground, speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I got my lows, I got my highs, moving on close to my goal. Time is now, place is here to rest, filling the holes of my soul. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. Raising up like a phoenix says, speaking my heart like it really is. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
I have this bad habit of stashing papers on top of the fridge and the microwave. Later on in the video, you see that I go through them and throw away the ones that I don't need. After wiping down the countertops, I decided to declutter the outside of my fridge. I like to store some of my kids' school projects on the fridge, but this time it got out of control. I had old projects from last year, so it was time to remove them. Here I'm just removing the magnets in order for me to clean the fridge. And a little fact about me is that every time we go to a new place, I like to buy a magnet for a souvenir. What I did was clean these stars that I have hanging in my kitchen area. For some reason they attract a lot of dust. This is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and thanks so much for watching.